Hello everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. I'm going to show you today on August 5th, 3:49 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And just want to show you what's going on in the markets here on finance here. Finance.yahoo or Yahoo Finance, whatever you want to call it. Everything's up, looking pretty good. But comparatively, we can see there's our big asset we watch in the world of digital currency, and it's just beating out let's see what it's beating out. It's a 2.89% comparative to whatever else. Forex is pretty bad. The alternative 200 here, that's doing pretty good as well. And the markets are up very little. I put up a video on why this asset class beats everything hands down. You'll get that on my dailymotion.com/quantlabs. So you can see here Russell is the best performing outside of the one I just spoke of. So let's go over to our Awanda and let's see what's going on here. We've got the markets are looking, well, they look good. They're trending up, but there's a short call here. And we've seen this multiple times. And again, I always keep saying is that doesn't mean a whole lot. When you look at the currencies, they're not doing too good. Everything's flattening out. Gold is dropping. As you can see here, gold in Swiss franc and the pound. There's a long call now for the gold-silver ratio. We've talked about that. That's your number one reliable resource or metric to know when the economy is starting to turn. So when it starts to show a long, that's something you got to be aware of. Silver and Japanese yen is longing. Another short call here on the Australian 200. And usually the Forex I'm not really all that interested in anymore. The Euro's got a nice little rally going on. Let's see here. Again, you're not seeing USD as a strong pick to hold money in. You have the Japanese yen's very flat. Singapore 30 choppy. There's a slight trend going up, but there's a short call there. And then you have a second one as well. So this says a lot. The UK as well. The UK 10-year bond's got a little short there. That's starting to move up. So does that mean that there's concern now? The 5 years stable, slightly declining over the last day. Shorts there, I mean that's kind of good if the markets are strong. The USD Japanese yen though, looking to strengthen their the short there for the USD Mexico. Natural gas still got a little rally going on. These are the critical ones now. We have here, there was a rally in wheat tapering off. So again, this is, as I keep saying, the inflation call in agriculture, food, and energy. But we're not seeing oil in excellent scoring yet. Some interesting developments here in Forex currencies, but I'm not too concerned with it. But you can see how the Australian USD seems to be dropping there. The Deutsche 30, very flat compared to the other European, like namely France. SPX 500, that's kind of rallying, but slightly. UK 100, again, slight rally there. Brent crude dropping in price, slight reversal potential. See that volume there as well. But again, this is not an inflation call, especially when it's been dropping since beginning of August. What else we got here? Not a lot to get all excited about. Everything's flat. in the currency space. Very range bound. Gold in Australia, slightly dropping there. A couple of short calls there I'm seeing. Same with the Canadian, and a long actually in the Swiss franc. These are good measurements to see the direction of a currency. You can see that as well, slight dropping in euro, pound, Japanese yen, and so on. Okay, here again we have a couple of more calls on the gold silver ratio, short. So that's probably going to wash out the earlier ones for sure. Silver now calling for long, slight longs, but again there's really no trend here, so these are really tough to gauge. There's just no real opportunity here compared to look how flat the Australian USD is. That's pretty crazy, dude. China 50, look at that solid decline. I don't know if that's got to do with the global sickness. Probably. I heard it's pretty bad where in Wuhan they're testing everybody out of, was it 12 million people? Huge undertaking, but it doesn't give you a lot of confidence in the economy. Norway, very flat. Euro, Norway. Let's see here. A lot of euro all over the place. This one here, the euro, South African rand had a big wick there just lately. Long call here for the Deutsche 30, but very, very little movement. India 50. Look at that sudden rally. Wow. That really took off from 15,600 all the way up to 16,351. That's really solid. That I don't know why that's happening, but that might be something to watch for compared to the other indexes. But looking at everything, range bound, stable, but no money to be made here. Slight rally going on with the UK 10-year bond. The slight rally with the UK 100. Same with the NASDAQ. Russell, flat. Just very flat. But quite clearly, that India 50, that's an interesting one. I'll check the other ones that we've been watching, but I'll put the India 50 on the one to watch here. Nothing really going on. The currency is just nothing, except for one maybe. Natural gas continues to rally. Really good. Soybean, let's see, soybean. Slight decline there. Actually, it is declining. Sugar, mean reverting, but trending up. That's got a good rally right there in the last little few hours. Corn, very flat. Where's the inflation? I gotta say, the only thing I see is natural gas. But I'm not seeing big inflation like it was in May. So more money will help temporarily blunt that. But they're talking about something like, I think up to $7 trillion with this reconciliation bill and an infrastructure bill. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy. They're spending money that they don't have, that their great grandkids are just going to suffer more and more because of this. Okay, I'm going to stop there. So just as a reminder here, that do check out everything here, because right now we have on our books right now, as I said, everything's looking good on the crypto side. So if you go into the shop by clicking it on quantlabs.net, that'll take you to all the products. All the products are going to go up in price 2 to 5 times over the next couple of months. And then again, if you want to get on the email list as well, just fill out the form. We are in position now and starting to really leverage the private chat server. we've updated it, looking pretty good. You can now turn it into a small, what they call a PWA, a small little running app on your computer. If you're on Linux or Windows, you can do the same. Have it side-loaded on your phone using something like, let's say, Microsoft Edge browser or Chrome. So if you're interested in that, let me know. Get it all set up, and other people are asking about how to get onto the chat server. Best bet, get on the newsletter, and I'm not sure what we're going to do yet as we publicize or open it up. The other challenge is if we allow people to sign in as guests is another thing I want to test out. Other than that, thanks for watching. Have a good day.